Girl. No, you. Okay, what's going on, y'all? It is your girl Jada, and I am back with another vlog. So listen, we are on the farm today, and Nuri and Ezra are riding horses. But anyways, before we get into all of that, go ahead and subscribe down below, hit that like button, comment all positive thoughts, turn on that post notification bell, and subscribe. Join the Besties squad, and share this video with everybody. But Nuri is about to ride horses, so let me show y'all her. Hold on. Oh, look at you. What you about to do?
Horse ride.
Oh, you about to ride a horse?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, and then Noelle has to make her cameo.
Yes, hi guys.
So Noelle is back, y'all. Just for the holiday season. I'm happy.
Yes.
You don't want to take your leg out. Okay. With your legs.
No, there's still a couple more kids to go. You stand here, honey, so you don't lose your spot, all right? Stand there. Oh. So precious.
Right here. Might have made that much of a pile. Let me go down a little bit.
Noelle, you want to record on my phone?
Yeah.
What you want to do is you want to make sure you're sitting up nice and straight in the saddle. Your back's nice and straight. There you go. You don't have to lean back. Isn't that? Yeah, perfect. Now, when we want to ask our horse to go, we're going to squeeze with both legs. And we're going to give a kiss. I call it a hug and a kiss. Squeeze with both legs and give a kiss down.
Your legs, kid, your legs.
Sit up straight. Can you sit up straight for me? You don't want to lean forward because you're not going to have good balance. You want to stay.
No,
Very good.
I was for sure she was going to ride Biddy and not Bella.
The kissy sound and the... It's not the exact material, but it's hard. No, they're all plastic, but that one's just a stronger plastic. In the orange cone, and we're asking her to turn to the left. So I'm taking my left leg, easing in with my left leg, but not my right leg. And now that she's turned, I'm relaxing in my legs. No squeezing. That's how much. Yes, my goodness. Go that way again. Which leg am I going to screw go around?
Y'all chase the ducks.
That was my life.
Good job. All right, one last circle. So we're asking her to go on this side. So I'm squeezing with this leg. There you go. Sit up straight. Don't lean back. Don't lean back.
Don't lean back, kid. From who? Your worm now?
You're almost to the mountain block down. So when we get to the mountain block, it's going to stop.
She posing too. Oh my goodness. Oh, not you posing. So it's a new day, but the kids are about to ride a 4-wheeler. So Noelle's going to record while I'm in the car with Autumn. So here we go. Ooh, are you excited?
Okay. All right, Nuri. Are you riding with me or Miss Brooke?
She says she wants to ride with you.
Okay. And Daniel, because I'm going to drive and you're just riding, okay? So don't try to grab the wheels of the gas, okay? Sound good? All right. All right. I'm sorry. Good. All right, you ready? Here we go. Did you like it? High five.
Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it.